Bonjour and hello. This is Jennifer Sparks, and I'm going to be sharing with you a hotel we stayed at in Paris. Bear with me as I pronounce this Hotel La Saint-Grégoire. Check-in was fast, professional, and friendly. Our visit was December 2024. There is an elevator, but it is extremely small. I'm traveling with my husband Kelli and my two daughters Sky and Star, who had a room directly above ours. Choosing a place to stay in Paris is so overwhelming. There are so many hotels, so many neighborhoods. I sort of left it up to my daughter. She booked this. She did a great job with her choice. This hotel was very comfortable, felt very safe. It was very friendly. The room itself was very open, very clean. There was a bathroom that did not have a sink. The sink was where the shower was. Tub and shower combination. No shower curtain, just half of a glass door. We are going to be spending 3 nights here as we wait for our flight back to New York City in the USA. The windows opened and the bed was very comfortable. Some rooms on higher floors have patios with views of the city. It was December, so we didn't really open the windows too often, but it was nice to know that we could. Also in this video, I'm going to be showing you the breakfast. I'm also going to be taking you for a walk around the hotel, showing you places that you could dine. We are also going to be walking to Luxembourg Gardens. This hotel was a great location to walk to many attractions. It was a bit of a walk, but we were able to walk to the Notre Dame, the Christmas markets, the Louvre, and the Eiffel Tower. That will be in a separate video. The electric was European, and they give you a lot of extras. Shampoo and body wash in the shower, but no conditioner. It's a small resort. It's beautiful. It's intimate. I really enjoyed our stay. The small elevators is probably not that alarming to most Europeans living in places that have really old structures, but coming from America, we were kind of like, what? But we were very grateful because the stairs were very windy. Probably would be hard to get our luggage up here, but my gosh, how stunning. And look at this. Down in the cellar, they have a breakfast, which is really cool. Look at these brick walls. I was so excited. This is so amazing. We really love this. We would come down here every day and we'd start with coffee, and it had cheese and croissants and baguettes. It was like the whole French experience. I wasn't sure how it was going to be being a hotel breakfast, but it was really good and really fresh. And what is it about the butter in France? It is so good. The yogurts were really good too. It was just so interesting to try different brands. All these different jellies, all the different cheeses. Great way to start your day before the marathon walking in Paris. Paris is a lot of walking, but it's amazing. I'm really not sure at this moment if the breakfast was included in the price. My daughter says it was, but I'm looking on the website now and it looks like the breakfast might be extra. I would call them directly if you really want to know that information. We enjoyed it. It was a great experience. They also have coffee 24 hours in the lobby. The machine also made espresso and cappuccinos. We took advantage of this perk several times throughout our stay. Now I'm going to show you the neighborhood. First thing I'm going to do is take you across the street and show you a restaurant that we went to go dine at. This restaurant was part of a hotel. We had made a reservation for when it opened. The menu was easy for us to understand. It's different in every restaurant, and our server was very helpful. We had good communication. They served us a basket of bread, and there may have been some wine involved. I always tell my children through difficult times in our life, one day we will have champagne in Paris. Well, we didn't have champagne, so I guess that means we're going to have to go back. We started with the macaroni and cheese balls and beetroots. My daughter Sky and I both ordered the pasta with the pesto sauce. My husband ordered the cheeseburger. He likes to get the cheeseburger no matter where we go. My daughter Star ordered the beef stew. I'm not sure if anybody cares about this or Eva's going to watch this, but it makes great memories for me and my girls. And if anybody else enjoys it, that's even cooler. Now I'm going to take you guys for a walk. We're going to be walking through the neighborhoods that are very close to the hotel we were staying at. Our main goal at the moment is to find the Luxembourg Gardens. Probably not the best time of the year to experience the gardens, but it was really cool just to see it. We were seriously too close not to go. It was maybe about a 10, maybe 15-minute walk. I was so taken back by the architecture. It's so modern and chic, and right next to it is so historic and regal. It was just mind-blowing. These buildings are right next to each other. I must have looked like such a tourist taking videos of everything. My poor family, they're like, "Where's Mom?" "Oh yeah, she stopped to look at a Christmas tree." Always remember to make time to stop and smell the Christmas trees. Pretty close to our hotel. It was maybe only about a 5-minute walk. We had an outdoor dining experience. I know, it's cold, but that's what you do in Paris. You eat outside. This menu was a little harder to comprehend, and our server knew zero English. And we know a little bit of French, so we did the best we could. We definitely got the coffee and the wine down. That was pretty easy. And I recognized the onion soup, and I kind of liked that, so I went with that, and it was really good. A nice glass of wine and onion soup was perfect for this day. Guess what my husband got? You guessed it, another hamburger. And my daughters ordered some pasta, and it came with bread. This is a busy corner over here with restaurants and patisseries. This was right before Christmas Eve. This place over here had a huge line. People waiting for their meats and caviars. We're going to go to the bakery next door. Go get some goodies for later for our room. This place was so overwhelming. Everything looked so good. There was a little bit of a communication situation at this one. So we ended up getting cookies that were so good. If you're still with me, you are a total rock star. Thank you so much for hanging out with us in Paris. Click here to see more of my video tours of my stay. If you're thinking about going to Paris, do it. Only you can make that happen. Always be well to yourself and kind to others. Safe travels to you.